Pre-intermediate 7. The power of music on the human brain. Music is a universal language that exists in every culture around the globe. While we usually listen to music for entertainment, it actually has a profound impact on the human brain and emotions. Scientific research has shown that listening to music can trigger the release of dopamine, a chemical in the brain that makes us feel happy. This is why a favorite song can immediately lift our spirits after a difficult day. Different genres of music can produce different effects. For example, classical music is often used to improve concentration and study habits, while upbeat pop music can increase motivation during physical exercise. Beyond just making us feel good, music is also used as a form of therapy. Doctors often use music therapy to help patients with memory loss or speech problems. Because music is processed in many different parts of the brain simultaneously, it can help create new neural pathways. For instance, some people who have difficulty speaking after a stroke find that they can still sing the lyrics of a song. Furthermore, learning to play a musical instrument is one of the best ways to challenge the brain. It requires coordination, patience, and memory. It's a complex task that improves mathematical skills and spatial intelligence. In conclusion, music is much more than just a background sound. It's a powerful tool that can heal, motivate, and transform our minds.